You like a lonely man without me, you're not like everyone. Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. My name is Niharika, and today you know that Big Hit actually have a concert where all the artists have performed, and we enjoyed and celebrate our new year with them. Who buy a ticket and who doesn't, they also see the performance of all the artists. And I buy the ticket. It was my first time, but I really like it, really loving it. And I really want to share my experience and reaction to the performances. And today Big Hit released their performances, and I really want to react to it because I really love it. It was my first concert that I watched ever, so I really love it that I watched all of the artists, and BTS also and other artists also, so I really love it. And right now I'm reacting to pre-opening stage Hanbin. If you know, Hanbin is the he comes on the island. He was the trainee at that time, but he was nearly like selected, but he doesn't selected. But he performed at the opening stage. He was the first one who performed, and we all the fans was really surprised to see him, first opening stage. His opening stage, we were really shocked. But when we see him, it was really like proud and really happy moment also, because we saw him after really a long time, so we were really happy. And when he performs, he dance and his moves, everything, and singing after like a lot months later, when the 7 members M1 had selected. So it was really like a really a long time we see him and see him perform. So it was really amazing. So I'm reacting to him, and we will see like him performing, and we are really excited. So let's go. So let's go. Whoa. 거기서 빠져버린 달라 내 안에까지 깨웠어. Don't worry about tomorrow anymore. Tonight 새롭게 펼쳐진 내 드라마. 고민도 불안도 다 그만. Just give me time and make it go. Now listen to the beating of my heart. 난 느끼는 곳이 내려게. 안겨자.
돼서 외쳐 상상 현실이 돼 저 위에 승리 깃발이고자 I will fly I know you're mine 저 열정을 불꽃이다 내 안에 강렬한 확신이다 I will fly I know you're mine 내 심장에 새겨진 네 눈물도 안고 갈 거야 남겨진 너의 못도 다 You're letting me, you know 같이 산 그 시간들 yeah. 너와 나의 땀방울 yeah. 오늘 밤 꽃 피울게 Don't worry about tomorrow anymore Now listen to the beating of my heart 난 느끼는 곳이 내리우게 안겨자 부서지고 모든 꽃이 우린 보석이 됐어 외쳐 상상 현실이 저 위에 승리 깃발이고자 I will fly
His voice is really amazing. I really love his voice in this song. I really love it. And his performance also really amazing.
강렬한 확신이다 I will fly I know you're mine 상상 현실이 돼 종이 승리 깃발이고 I will fly I know you're mine 던져 열정을 불꽃이다 내 안에 강렬한 확신이다 I will fly I know you're mine
I really like it, and the performance was really amazing. His voice, and then after like seeing him after so long, it was really amazing. I really love it. And if I say, when he comes, I was really shocked to see him, but he performs really well. And because he actually, when if you see Island, he cry a lot when he doesn't get selected. And we all the members are every like BTS was there and the TST was there, all were really sad, and other members was also really sad. That why when member and fans who vote for him was really sad that he didn't select it, because we all the fans was want to them all to get selected, but he didn't get selected. But we are really sad. But after seeing him like this performing in the stage, and singing and seeing him, and it was really amazing. We really love him, and we want him to debut soon. If he's debuting, so it's really amazing, and we want to see his performance again and again. He's really amazing person. Also, he's really hard working person also, so we really want him to debut and become an idol also. So I really love it, and I really love this performance also. So thank you so much guys for watching my videos. I will in next video I will share my few moments of the concert which I recorded, and I really want you to see it. So I really love it. So thank you so much guys for watching my videos. I probably be all of you. Peace. 안녕. 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 무라해. 안녕. 니가 그나마 여담마
I want